recently, Government of India has come up with some sort of changes in the surrogacy rules. So, what are those rules that can be important from the perspective of both prelim and mains exam? So, let's understand that. We have the ministry that is related to the changes. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and that has actually introduced surrogacy regulation amendment rules 2024. So this actually brings some sort of changes in the surrogacy regulation rule 2022. So what are those changes that have been brought by the this regulation 2024? So आइए हम इसको समझते हैं. So first, consent and एग्रीमेंट रिवीजन. सो इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कंसेंट, सो जो सरोगेसी के लिए जो कपल्स जा रहे हैं तो उनका कंसेंट जरूरी है. सो इसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हमारे पास 2022 में क्या था और 2024 में क्या चेंज किया गया है. सो बेसिकली द रीसेंट अमेंडमेंट इंट्रोड्यूस फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी allowing one donor gametes under the specific circumstances. So और 2022 के रूल में ये मेंशन था कि gametes from both the couples are मैंडेटरी एंड कंपलसरी. बट नाउ इस केस में 2024 के जो चेंजेस लेके आई है सरोगेसी रेगुलेशंस रूल्स 2022 के अंदर, यह है कि गैमेट फ्रॉम वन पार्टनर कैन बी यूज्ड इन सम सर्कमस्टेंसेस. सेकंड, प्रीवियसली आई जस्ट मेंशन सरोगेसी रिक्वायर्ड द गैमेट्स ऑफ बोथ द इंटेंडेड कपल, प्रोहिबिटिंग द यूज ऑफ डोनर गैमेट्स. सो दैट इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द चेंज दैट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड. Yes, दूसरा जो है surrogacy for the single women, so it remain unchanged. Provisions maintain that single women eligible for surrogacy are limited to the widows or divorcee. So now when we talk about the surrogacy for the single women, so that remain actually unchanged, but widow and divorcee can allow to have that particular benefit. Third, preservation of intending couples genetic contribution. So this is another area. The child born through the surrogacy must still possess at least one gamete from the intending couple. That actually this will ensure the genetic lineage. So genetic markup एक पेरेंट्स का होना जरूरी है surrogacy के लिए. Fourth, certification by the district medical board. So that is also very important. So the district medical board must certify that either intending partners suffer from qualifying medical conditions to permit the use of donor gametes. So that must be satisfied by the district medical board. So this is also one of the important changes. So ये कुछ changes है जो कि surrogacy regulation rule 2024 के थ्रू लाया गया है. Hope you understand the topic. If you like the topic, hit the like button, subscribe our YouTube channel Selection IAS. Thank you.